Okay, so this is Thursday, 26th June 2008, and just wanted to give you a quick introduction to video today, just to say that this might well be quite a quick one. I haven't got a lot of time to trade. I'm being quite antisocial today, in that we've come over with Mrs. Walsh to stay with some mates in Europe. Mate of mine's having a bit of a Wimbledon tennis festa for the next couple of weeks. Get a load of mates over, everyone's sort of hanging around and having a good time, and watching a lot of tennis on what I think must be about the biggest plasma screen what I've ever seen. I'm going to have to get myself one of those when I get back home. It's pretty impressive. So anyway, everyone's indoors at the moment watching the tennis get going, and I've snuck off with my laptop down to the old summer house down by the river what runs through my mate's garden. So anyway, I might get found out and asked to come back and be a bit more sociable. So I'm going to try and grab an hour or so of trading, get a few trades in. Done 20 minutes or so of pre-market homework. So I've got a short list of stocks today to watch, and we'll see what transpires. Okay, this is DRYS. Been watching this one for the last few weeks, been putting in some nice moves. Looking to take possible long. Alright, got along there at 82.38. DRYS made my target, going to come out here. Just came out 1,000 and fill there bang on the nail, $83 for 620 in the bank there. This is WB, going to take a short. Short 1,000 on WB from 1701. There you go, just wanted to show you DRYS. Took a little bit of this earlier on, didn't I? And just to show you, Harvey don't get it always right. It did come down just after I got out, so I was quite pleased with that, but it's shot back off again, made at least another $1. So there you go, can't win them all, can you? Sometimes you miss them, but that's the way it goes. Anyway, just thought I'd show you because I found that quite amusing. Then I take a short on RIM, 125.67 I'm short there. It's a big old gap down over $10. Been moving a little bit sideways, but fairly confident this is going to drop a bit further. Very volatile stock at the best of times, so going to give this one a lot of wiggle room. We all need a bit of wiggle room every now and then, but especially RIM. So anyway, short from 125.67 on RIM. Right, taking a long on SQNM. Bit of a mouthful that one, isn't it? 15.73 long on there. Not looking for millions of dollars on here. Just want to get up to about the $16 area if I can. Taking a little short on BRCM. Short from 27.15 on there. One of my favourites, Apple, setting up for a little short scalp trade. If this does indeed confirm itself as an entry, won't be holding it for too long, just looking to take a little bit of cash out of it. Alright, gone short, just waiting for a fill. Alright, short 171.79, bit of a slow fill on that. As I say, not looking to hold this one for too long. Really playing this by what's going on the old off-chart indicators. Alright, coming out there, just came out at 171.30, so took a nice little $490 on there. Didn't want to hold on to that one too long, got other stuff going on. Okay, so back on SQNM, a little bit of a wiggle, but finally got up to this $16 mark. A little bit of a spread on there at the moment, but looking to come out of that now. Just want to see what it's going to do next. See if it's going to push through or not. If it pushes through, might get a little bit of a better feel. Alright, going to come out here at $15.99 if we can get a fill in there. Filled at $15.99 to take 260 on that, and it may well still push through, but I've got other stuff to be looking at. Alright, time to get out of this RIM trade. Short from 125.67 if you remember, looking to get out anywhere around about here. Alright, that'll do very nicely. Just got fill 125.04. Didn't really drop as much as I'd hoped this one. A lot of it's wiggling, and so we're out there for a nice $630 anyway, which is better than a kick in the teeth, especially when you shouldn't be trading, you should be indoors watching tennis. Going to close out BRCM, short from 27.15. Just got filled there, bang on $27, so 150 for that. Nothing spectacular. Last but not least, and talking of not spectacular, this WB didn't do a lot, did it? Had a bit of a wobble, but weren't around to take advantage of that. It was trading other stuff, unfortunately. So we come out of that one. We're short from 17.01. Okay, just got filled at $16.98 for $30, which at least pays the commission if nothing else. Alright, so quick summary, and I'm going to have to keep this quick because they're calling for me head indoors. DRYS was 620, Apple took 490 on that one, on that quick little scalp trade. SQNM 260, RIM 630, BRCM 150, and WB, which didn't really do anything, took $30 on there. So not too bad. Didn't scale out of any trades today because really trying to keep it quick and simple, because as I say, shouldn't be trading, supposed to be indoors with my mates, being a bit unsociable, but just wanted to make a video really for you. Very conscious of the fact that been a lot of time between some of the previous videos, so, and it's always nice to make a little bit of money as well, and that'll go some way to paying for one of them big old plasma TVs like my mate's got there, because quite fancy one of them. Alright, so not a bad day, quite a lot moving, and plenty more of opportunity. Hope you got some of it as well, and speak to you in another video very soon.